A dishwasher's dispenser solenoid is the component that opens the dispenser door to release the detergent. If the detergent is not dispensing properly, it's possible the dispenser solenoid is malfunctioning. To help determine this, you can use a multimeter to test the solenoid for electrical continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the solenoid coil. Before you begin any disassembly to reach the solenoid, shut off the power to the dishwasher. To reach the dispenser solenoid, you will need to unthread the screws to uninstall the outer door panel. Once you've reached the solenoid, disconnect the wire connector or wires from the solenoid terminals or pins. Set the multimeter's range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Contact the black meter lead to one of the solenoid terminals or pins, and the red lead to the other terminal or pin. If the multimeter display indicates between 310 and 390 ohms of resistance, the solenoid has electrical continuity and should be functional. However, if the meter indicates no electrical continuity is present, you'll know the solenoid is faulty and the detergent dispenser will need to be replaced with a new one.